in a series of fractions. Today's topic is word problems on addition and subtraction of fractions. Here is first word problem. Karthik's father purchased vegetables from fruits and vegetables store. Karthik's father purchased 2 and 1 by 5 kilogram of onions, 3 and 1 by 2 kilogram of potatoes, 1 and 3 by 10 kilogram of tomatoes. What is the total weight of vegetables that Karthik's father has purchased? So here in this word problem, at first we will write all the statements. First is quantity of onion purchased, that is equals to 2 and 1 by 5 kilogram. 2 and 1 by 5 is form of mixed fraction. So we will convert it into improper. That is 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11 by 5 kilogram. In similar way, we will write quantities of potatoes purchased, that is equals to 3 and 1 by 2 kilogram equals to 7 by 2 kilogram. Then quantities of tomatoes, that is 1 and 3 by 10 kilogram, and convert it into improper, and what you will get, 10 ones are 10 plus 3 13 by 10 kilograms. Now we need to find out total weight. So total weight means just add all these onion, potatoes and tomatoes. So here it is. Now here all denominators are different. It means we need to find out LCM. So LCM of 5, 2 and 10 is 10. Now we can easily solve this addition. How? Like this. Just see here what you need to do. Here LCM is 10. That's why it is denominator. So just write denominator 10. 5 2s are 10. So it is 11 multiplied 2 plus 2 5s are 10. So it is 7 multiplied by 5 plus 10 1s are 10. So it is 13 multiplied by 1. Now just solve this part. 11 2s are 22 plus 7 5s are 35 plus 13 1s are 13. Now add all these numerators. 22 plus 35 plus 13. It is 70. 70 by 10, and just simplify it and you will get 10 7s are 70. That's why 7. Now what is the answer? The total weight of vegetable purchased by Karthik's father is 7 kilogram. Next is Sangeeta finished her homework in 22 by 3 hours, out of which she took 1 and 1 by 6 hours to complete her math assignment. How much time did she take to complete her rest of homework? So what you need to do? At first, total time taken in doing all homework, that is equals to 22 by 3 hours, out of which time taken to complete math assignment equals to 1 and 1 by 6 hours. Converted into improper, 6 1 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 6 hours. Now, how much time did she take to complete her rest of homework? So, what we will do? We will subtract. So, total time taken to complete rest of homework equals to 22 by 3 hours minus 7 by 6 hours. Again, denominators are different. 3 and 6. So what is the LCM of 3 and 6? 6. So we will subtract. But how? We will write denominator 6 and solve it. And how we can solve it? Just see. 3 2s are 6. So here 22 multiplied by 2 minus 7 multiplied by 1, because 6 1s are 6. Now solve it. 22 2s are 44. 7 1s are 7. So here 44 minus 7 by 6. Now solve it and you will get 37 by 6 hours. Convert it into mixed, that is 6 and 1 by 6 hours. So what we can write? Finally, Sangeeta takes 6 and 1 by 6 hours to complete her rest of the homework. Now let us understand next word problem. Here is Karan's house and here is Karan's uncle's house, and the distance between Karan's house and uncle's house is 26 and 1 by 6 kilometer. Karan travelled 51 by 4 kilometer by bus and 41 by 8 kilometer by auto rickshaw. Remaining distance we need to find out. So let us find out. So it is a question. The distance between the house of Karan and his uncle is 26 and 1 by 6 kilometer. 26 and 1 by 6 is in form of mixed fraction. That's why we will convert it into improper. That is equals to 157 by 6 kilometer. Now, Karan travel 51 by 4 kilometer by bus. So, distance traveled by bus equals to 51 by 4 kilometer and distance traveled by auto rickshaw equals to 41 by 8 kilometer. Now, how much more distance does Karan have to travel? At first, we will find out distance he traveled. So total distance traveled means 51 by kilometer plus 41 by 8 kilometer. Just add this. Here different denominator. It means we will find out LCM of 4 and 8. And that is 8. Now solve this and you will get 143 by 8 kilometer. Now we need to find out the remaining distance. Distance needs to travel more to reach his uncle's house. It means just subtract 143 by 8 kilometer from total distance. It means 157 by 6 kilometer minus 143 by 8 kilometer. Subtract it and you will get the LCM of 6 and 8, 24. Now you can easily solve by the help of LCM. And you will get 199 by 24 kilometer converted into improper. So it is 8 and 7 by 24 kilometer. And finally, you can write the final answer, that is Karan must travel 8 and 7 by 24 kilometer more to reach his uncle's house.
So my dear students, practice it, practice well, because the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Goodbye.